Sir, I'm very glad that today you have given your protection to Lepchaji, and we are hoping the same for the rest of us, especially from the other smaller parties. Or I will include this attitude to my VIP culture that's very prevalent today. Sir, this has become a malaise in the society. This VIP culture, and especially in the national capital. Sir, we have witnessed a growing phenomenon where the movement of VIPs, be it the politicians, high-ranking officials, or dignitaries, leads to severe inconvenience for the common tax-paying people. The roadblocks and traffic diversions ostensibly for the safety and convenience of these VIPs have become a major source of disruption for daily lives of countless citizens. The disruptive and often detrimental VIP culture that prevails, especially in the national capital. Sir, one has travelled all over the world, but has never seen many VIPs and cavalcades going, but they never stop people on the street. The other day, MPs of this House who leave from Shardul Gate were stopped. The main door was locked because there was VIP movement. We have never faced such humiliation in the last 22 years of mine in this Parliament. We are not a threat to any of the VIPs, especially the political lot. Sir, there are roads where political bigwigs are living and they are blocked. It's impossible for us to come to Parliament. We have to travel and wait for half an hour. We have to time our departure from the House to attend Parliament on time. And so many times I have been delayed because of this. Stuck. Sir, उस दिन आपके यहाँ for the farewell party it took me 1 hour. 1 hour because it was VIP movement. Every citizen stuck were angry, and I am telling you, if this is not corrected, there will be road rage. It's so difficult. I have seen stuck in traffic, ambulances being stopped. Sir, today you're in a very generous mood, sir. Huh?
You conclude. Srimati Rajini
Sir, we need your
Ashok Rao
protection.
Patilji. Let her complete. You complete. Finish.
We need your protection, not only as members of Parliament of this House, who cannot be humiliated the way we were the other day. And also, please, sir, speak to the government, you're the Vice President of this country, that this culture has to stop in order to give dignity to the taxpayers of this country who have brought us into this House today.
Subscribe to One India and never miss an update. Download the One India app now.